Congratulations on purchasing a Buro Metro II chair, Buro's most popular chair throughout Australasia. Allow us to show you just how easy it is to assemble your new Buro Metro II chair. 1. Remove the chair base from the packaging. 2. Insert the 5 casters into the base, making sure each one is firmly and securely in place. 3. Turn the base upright and insert the gas lift into the base. 4. Carefully lift and position the chair seat, which has the mechanism already attached, over the gas lift, making sure the seat mechanism collar slots snugly and firmly onto the gas lift. 5. Insert the back bar fully into the chair back, making sure the side marked outward faces out. Align the small threaded hole in the back bar with the back strap and screw together securely. 6. Carefully lift the chair back and position the exposed end of the back bar into the seat mechanism bracket. When the fixing holes are aligned, screw together tightly. 7. Attach the moulded back bar cover over the back bar and secure in place with the 2 small screws provided. 8. Should your Buro Metro II chair come with arms, locate and assemble the 2 arm brackets with larger open end facing the edge of the seat. Secure in place with screws provided. Insert the arms into the arm brackets, making sure the arms are secured into place with the arm knobs provided. 9. Sit on the seat and press down firmly to ensure the gas lift is fully engaged. Well done! Your Buro Metro II chair is now ready for your enjoyment and use. Thank you for purchasing a Buro chair. For correct sitting positions and operational instructions, please visit www.buroseating.com.au. For care and maintenance, please refer to the enclosed booklet. Don't forget to register your chair online with us to receive future maintenance tips and hints.